Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you week 8, July 23rd through the 25th. We're focusing on reviewing and writing here. You're going to want to you're going to want to review pages 186 to 187, 198 to 199, and 202 to 207. There's no learning objectives for this week. It's just dedicated to critiquing one another's writing. Make sure the writing you critique has used the preterite tense to write a cohesive paragraph of no fewer than 8 sentences, that the paragraph describes student schedules for the day, morning activities, class schedule, work schedule, tells where they went, with whom, and describes the meals they ate and/or prepared. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 3 and 5. All of the assignments are due on the 24th. Okay, so this week is a little bit weird because we're getting into finals. We're going to take our final on the 25th. So this critique has to be done on the 24th. Okay, and so you'll see the workbook is still, where is that, right? Okay, so right here on the week of the 16th is when you are writing assignment 2. Then I will take and move this workbook down here. You'll click on it again, and this time you'll use the rubric embedded to critique 2 of your classmates regarding their paragraphs. Okay. You also have oral dialogue 3. You had a workbook for oral dialogue 3 as well, in which you created a script. This script has been gone through by one of your fellow classmates. It will also have been gone through by me. I strongly advise you to look at the critiques that I made on your script and to use it when creating your video. When you open up this assignment right here, oral dialogue 3, you'll click record when you're ready, and then you'll record basically that script. Okay, this right here gives you instructions on how to do ILOS. And if you have trouble doing ILOS, then you just want to do the assignment a little bit early and reach out to me so I can give you an alternative way to do it. One of the biggest pieces is just remember to put your link into the assignment. So like when you say right here, when you click on add a submission, I need you to paste the link to your video. Don't just hit the record button and that be it, because most of the time you guys don't label those. They go into my ILOS box. I have hundreds and hundreds of videos because we've been using ILOS for a while now, and I teach a lot of classes during the year. And everybody is labeled anonymous. I have no way to find you if you're labeled anonymous. So the best thing for you to do is to paste your link to your video right there. And if you watch this video right here, it'll show you how to do that. Okay. And there's no instructor videos to watch, but you still have a class participation forum. So just make sure you open up the participation forum, click on the thread, and then post any questions or concerns you have about the class thus far, or any questions or concerns you have about material that's been covered in previous weeks. Okay, and that's everything you have to do for week 8, July